The Gyro-X, a brainchild of renowned stylist Alex Tremulis and gyroscope expert Thomas Summers, was a two-wheeled, gyroscopically stabilized prototype vehicle built in 1967. The Gyro-X was proposed as a potential solution for future transportation, with its two-wheeled design offering several advantages over traditional four-wheeled vehicles. These included increased efficiency due to its smaller size and lighter weight, reduced wind resistance and road drag, and greater maneuverability. The Gyro-X was reported to reach speeds of 125 miles per hour using a small 80-horsepower Mini Cooper S engine, and its single 22-inch hydraulically driven gyroscope allowed it to make banked turns without tipping. The Gyro-X was first displayed at the 1967 New York International Auto Show and was featured on the cover of Science and Mechanics magazine in September of that year. Despite the initial hype, the Gyro-X never went into production. Witnesses reported that the vehicle was unstable at high speeds, and it is possible that the engineering was too complex and needed further development. Gyro Transport Systems, Inc. went bankrupt around 1970, and the Gyro-X was left uncovered and exposed to the elements and vandalism. The Gyro-X resurfaced in 1975, when Tom Summers added a third wheel to the vehicle for licensing purposes in California. Summers attempted to find investors to produce the vehicle, but these efforts were unsuccessful. The Gyro-X disappeared again until 1994, when it was used as collateral for an unpaid loan and relinquished to John Needham. By this point, the vehicle had been transformed into a Volkswagen-powered three-wheeled car, and the gyroscope was long gone. The Gyro-X sat on Needham's property for 10 years before he decided to get it running. In 2009, he posted a video of the barely recognizable Gyro-X on YouTube, asking for any information about the vehicle. The Gyro-X was then sold to Houston collector Mark Brinker, who in turn sold it to the Lane Motor Museum in December 2011. The Lane Motor Museum undertook a lengthy restoration process to return the Gyro-X to its original condition. After years of research and hard work, the fully restored Gyro-X is now returning to the spotlight, 50 years after its initial debut. Despite the challenges and setbacks that the Gyro-X has faced over the years, it remains a fascinating and thought-provoking example of the potential for two-wheeled, gyroscopically stabilized vehicles to revolutionize transportation.